Most people add this incredible ingredient to their meals without realizing they might be destroying its health benefits. Garlic has been used for thousands of years as both food and medicine. Research shows that garlic can support heart health, boost immunity, reduce inflammation, and may help with cancer prevention. But here is the problem. The way you prepare, cook, and store garlic can either unlock its power or strip away beneficial compounds. Today, we will explore 10 common mistakes people make with garlic and show you how to avoid them. Let us dive in. First mistake: cooking garlic at high temperatures for too long. When you cook garlic at high heat for extended periods, you destroy its most important compound called allicin. Allicin is responsible for blood pressure reduction and antimicrobial activity. It only forms when garlic is crushed or chopped and is extremely heat sensitive. Temperatures above 140 degrees Fahrenheit break it down rapidly. Add garlic toward the end of cooking, ideally in the last 2 to 3 minutes. For maximum benefit, consume garlic raw in dressings or spreads. Second mistake: swallowing whole cloves. Some people swallow garlic cloves whole to avoid the strong taste. This defeats the purpose because allicin only forms when garlic cells are damaged. When you swallow a whole clove, this reaction barely happens. Always crush, chop, or mince your garlic before consuming. Let it sit for 10 minutes before eating to allow full enzyme activation. Third mistake: using pre-peeled garlic. Pre-peeled garlic seems convenient, but sacrifices flavor and nutrition. Once the protective skin is removed, garlic loses potency rapidly. Studies show pre-peeled garlic has reduced beneficial sulfur compounds. Always buy whole garlic bulbs with intact skin and peel only when ready to use. Fourth mistake: storing garlic incorrectly. Where and how you store garlic affects its shelf life and potency. Refrigerating whole bulbs encourages sprouting and mold growth. Storing garlic in sealed plastic bags without ventilation accelerates spoilage. Garlic needs cool, dark, well-ventilated conditions. Store whole bulbs in a mesh bag or paper bag in your pantry for 6 to 8 weeks. Once peeled, keep in a sealed glass container in the refrigerator and use within 7 to 10 days. Fifth mistake: eating raw garlic on an empty stomach. Raw garlic is powerful but harsh on the digestive system when consumed incorrectly. Sulfur compounds stimulate stomach acid production and can irritate the stomach lining. For people with ulcers or gastritis, eating raw garlic without food can trigger severe pain. Never eat raw garlic on an empty stomach if you have digestive sensitivities. Always pair it with food that buffers stomach acid, like yogurt or milk. Sixth mistake: ignoring drug interactions. Garlic naturally thins blood, lowers blood pressure, and improves insulin sensitivity. These effects become dangerous when combined with certain medications. If you take blood thinners like warfarin or aspirin, garlic can increase bleeding risk. For those on blood pressure or diabetes medications, garlic may cause levels to drop too low. Always inform your doctor if you consume garlic regularly, especially supplements. Seventh mistake: consuming garlic before surgery. Garlic's blood-thinning properties become a serious risk in surgical contexts. Consuming garlic before surgery can dramatically increase bleeding during procedures. Research shows patients eating more than 2 cloves daily can experience bleeding times increased by up to 250%. Stop all garlic consumption at least 10 days before any surgery, including dental work. Always inform your healthcare providers about your garlic intake. 8th mistake: not washing garlic before use. Garlic grows in soil and can harbor dirt, bacteria, or pesticide residues. Handling unwashed garlic transfers contaminants to cutting boards and knives. Always rinse garlic cloves under running water before peeling. Use a soft vegetable brush to remove stubborn dirt. Washing ensures you consume garlic in its purest form. 9th mistake: skipping the rest period after chopping. This is perhaps the most important mistake on our list. Garlic needs time to activate medicinal compounds after being cut. Allicin forms when an enzyme called alliinase contacts its substrate during cutting. This enzymatic reaction takes time to complete. If you cook freshly chopped garlic immediately, heat deactivates enzymes before they produce allicin. Studies confirm that resting garlic for 10 minutes after chopping dramatically increases allicin formation. Chop your garlic first, let it sit 10 minutes, then add to hot dishes. This transforms garlic from a seasoning into a powerful therapeutic food. 10th mistake: selecting poor quality garlic. The quality of garlic you purchase determines the health benefits you receive. Fresh, firm garlic is rich in sulfur compounds, while aged or sprouting garlic has diminished value. Signs of poor quality include soft texture, visible green sprouts, and shriveled appearance. Always choose firm, heavy bulbs with tightly wrapped skins. Purchase from trusted sources or farmers markets for the freshest options. Conclusion: garlic is one of nature's most powerful foods, with proven abilities to support heart health, immunity, and reduce inflammation. However, the compounds that make garlic beneficial can be compromised when handled incorrectly. From cooking methods to storage and medication interactions, each mistake has real consequences. The good news is that every mistake has a simple solution. By preparing garlic correctly and respecting its potency, you can unlock its full therapeutic potential. How do you typically use garlic in your routine? Which mistake surprised you most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this valuable, please like and subscribe for more evidence-based health content. Thank you for watching.